Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Maaz from Gujarat, Pakistan. What I have observed that in our homeopathic community, the people claim so high about their practice, and whenever a simple question was asked to them, just like I have floated a question on the social media that what is the duration of action of homeopathic remedies. This is a simple book. This is a simple book that explains the duration of action. Here you can see the remedy sulfur is written here, and its duration is 40 to 60 days. So I would like to ask this simple question to the giant of homeopathy, those who claim that we are providing consultation to 200 patients per day. I am asking this question to them. Simply define what is duration of action. Anybody in the world who is able to define the duration of action, I will award him a handsome amount of rupees 10,000 to that person who will just simply define what is duration of action. This is a simple question. But before replying to that question, if you want to claim the prize or the prize as well, then first send me the SMS for the prize rules. If you want to compete for the prize or an award, then first you have to sign an agreement with me that I want to participate in the award or prize competition for replying this simple question. And those who do not have interest in winning the prize, they can reply to the answer simply on the social media. So I think the point is very much clear now. Anybody among the world homeopaths, please simply define the duration of action. The duration of action which is mentioned in this book. You can see the capsicum duration of action is 7 days. The cocculus duration of action is 30 days. What does he mean by duration of action? This is the question.